Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video about using a regular X-09 to replace a CD X-09. I did talk with Lockmasters to find out if we're allowed to do this, and he said yes. You just have to change the bolt. So just heads up, there's one little set screw right here used to hold the bolt in place, so you have to take it out. There is a bearing behind this guy right around here somewhere, I believe. So you remove this screw very gently, slowly. Take off the old bolt and then make sure that that bearing stays where it needs to stay, and then slide on the new bolt, and you'll hit some resistance. When you hit the resistance, go ahead and take a sharp object, and I don't know if it's the bearing or whatever, but you got to push down in this hole in order to slide the new bolt on, and then put the set screw in. And that's what I found out, and just use precaution to make sure that bearing does not come out of place.